Will you clean up? What about nails in my yard? Hi, I'm Max here with Van Martin Roofing. If you're wondering what your yard's going to look like after a roof replacement, you're not alone. A lot of homeowners ask us, will you clean up? What about all those nails on the ground? Here's how we make sure your home looks better when we leave than when we arrived. Cleanup isn't just a part of our process, it's a core part of our promise. We know how stressful it can be to have your property turn into a construction site. You want a new roof, but not a mess to deal with afterwards. That's why we treat cleanup with the same level of care and precision as the installation itself. So here's exactly how we handle it. Before a single shingle comes off your roof, we protect your property. We use heavy-duty tarps to cover your landscaping, porches, and air conditioning units. Then we set up plywood barriers to shield your siding and windows. This keeps debris contained and prevents damage during our work. 2 is during the installation. As we tear off your old shingles, our team continuously cleans the site. We don't wait till the end. We're using magnetic rollers and handheld magnets throughout the process to catch stray nails and metal pieces. That way, your property stays clean throughout the process. Once your new roof is installed, we perform a detailed final cleanup and walkthrough. We check your driveway for nails or materials that could harm your tires, lawn and flower beds for small debris hidden in grass or mulch. 3, sidewalks and patios for shingle scraps or packaging. We go over everything visually and with magnets several times, just to make sure no nail or metal piece is left behind. Our goal is simple. When we leave, your home should look like we were never there, except with a beautiful new roof overhead. At Van Martin, cleanup isn't an afterthought. It's a reflection of who we are. Because a truly professional roofing job doesn't end when the shingles go on, it ends when your property looks perfect again. So if you want a roof replacement that's fast, clean, and handled with care from start to finish, click the link in our bio to schedule your free inspection today.